All right, here we go. I got a roof. No more hole in the ceiling. So I've got a ton of cleanup work to do now. And I got this done the other day, so I've got to finish peeling that crap paint off. That was latex covered with oil for some reason. And I bought 7 sheets and only used 4.5. Like, I don't know. My math didn't math so good. I'm soaked. Like that's a light. The one dry spot on my shirt is way down here. It's just, I'm nasty. I'm so nasty right now. But I got a roof. I got a ceiling. It's the little things in life. I have plumbing and hot water, and I can poop in my own home now. And I've covered up the last of that shit. So the hard part is that I still have to do this. So this is where I'm gonna need manpower and help. I was able to get that other side done, but I'm gonna have to hang new insulation throughout all of here, and then I have to put up all that drywall. In the bathroom, in the closet, in this master bedroom, and the office. So this side of the house is still pretty shot. However, when you close these doors and clean up all the junk, and it's close. I'm almost open to a point where I can start bringing in furniture from downstairs and putting it into these rooms, and I'll just move them when it comes time to paint. But yeah, day 67, and I finally have a roof. Now I've got 15 minutes to get that panel lift back to, Alexa, hit pause. I've got to get that panel lift back to the guys down at Lucy Lumber, but I got a ceiling. God damn it, I got a ceiling. I don't know how to mud and tape, but I've got a ceiling. So I'll take it as a win. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there.